Still a chain smoking, name dropping, good looking, motherfucking mother, shut your mouth, brain broken. Frank Ocean listening, staying here inside, and we're great gripping pain, dripping mother, shut your mouth. Somebody pray to the God, oh Lord, I wonder why Michael's on. Sun jamming to the shit, rapping, trapping, dripping, sitting, sniffing, glue and chewing like a don. Should've died, yelling, yellow was a lie, you a lie, I wonder why you wanna die so young. You and Alex are lucky, and I'm afraid that this one right here might be last time that I write a song. A lot of people wanna go with the pain, but I'm trying to go out at all. So I'm trying to go out at all, got a lot of ideas to throw out the door. Last chance, Troy, gotta be a dead Troy. From an introspective drug down standpoint, go bed Troy, wanna hold hands Troy. Old school for my old man Troy. Chain smoking, name dropping, good looking, motherfucking mother, shut your mouth, brain broken. Frank Ocean listening, staying here inside, and we're great gripping pain, dripping mother, shut your mouth. This part right here, right now, right here, this part my shit. I play this so loud in the car, I forget to park my whip. I lean back, then spark my shit. I turn up and talk my shit. I hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit. Yeah. Well, I tossed my filter, and she saved my life. Same shit that kills us, so it stays so right. So I pray to the dear Lord, God know who he be. Truth be told, he juiced me, introduced me to the juicy leaf. Oh, 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 I seen the light, I lost my lighter, babe. They kicked the habit and the bucket, fuck your supplier. Lies, Levi's on fire, fire on the wall, I'm brighter in the darkness of the night. In the sky I get higher, higher still. Chain smoking, name dropping, good looking, more fucking mother, shut your mouth, brain broken. Frank Ocean listening, staying here inside, and we're great gripping pain, dripping mother, shut your mouth. Well, this part right here, right now, right here, this part my shit. I play this so loud in the car, I forget to park my whip. I lean back and spark my shit. I turn up, I talk my shit. I hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit. Still the chain smoking, name dropping, good looking, motherfucking mother, shut your mouth, and brain broken. Frank Ocean listening, staying inside, we're great gripping pain, dripping mother, shut your mouth.